So I started my YouTube channel about a month ago on the 9th of September 2025 with no experience, and somehow I've managed to hit over 100 subscribers and 35 watch hours. In this video, I'll be telling you what I did, what I learned, what worked, and how I got to 100 subscribers. I'm not going to waste your time by giving you generic advice like consistency and replying to comments. That won't get you your first 100 subscribers fast enough. The first thing you need to do, or the first thing I did after uploading 2 videos and getting less than 40 views, was to go to my family and friends and WhatsApp contacts to ask them to subscribe. Now, when I started, I didn't want to ask anybody to sub. I just wanted to upload videos on YouTube. But when I uploaded my first 2 videos and realized that nobody cares about you, nobody is coming to help you, you have to do the work by yourself. I messaged over 100 of my contacts, WhatsApp contacts, and was able to get 30 subscribers. Yes, your family and friends are the first persons that will subscribe to your YouTube channel and actually watch your videos. Now, this will give you a push to actually continue creating. Yeah. So what I did in my case was to message over 100 persons on WhatsApp, and I was able to get 30 subscribers from my WhatsApp contact list. Now, some of you might say you don't have up to 100 WhatsApp contacts. Yeah. So join random WhatsApp groups and message the people on those groups to subscribe to your channel. Now, most of them would ignore you, but some would actually subscribe. And this would give you a push. When you see your subscription there, you see 10 people have subscribed, 20 people have subscribed. You actually want to create more. The next thing I did was research the kind of videos that was giving small creators lots of views. Yeah, so I was scrolling through the channel of small creators and looking at the videos that give them a lot of views, and a video stood out to me. Yeah, like 3 4 creators created the same video and got the same results, so I recreated it for myself. Currently that video is my highest viewed video. Yeah, so you can do the same. Search small creators and look at the videos that are doing well on their channel, and you recreate it for yourself. Now, the third thing I did was create specific niche content and send it to the WhatsApp group of the people that this content aligns with. Now, let me explain. I would use myself as an example. My YouTube channel is about my journey to $1 million, and I create content around online businesses and remote jobs. Now, when I create this content, I would send it to the WhatsApp group of people that are interested in online businesses or remote job. That way, they are prone to watch these videos and actually subscribe to my channel. So after I've gotten about 30 to 40 subscribers from friends and families and people I messaged on WhatsApp, I did this till I was able to get to 100. So far, I have created about 5 videos, 4 long form videos and 1 short. Yeah, we'll be going to my dashboard to see how each video has performed over the month. But before we do that, let me quickly give an unsolicited advice to new YouTubers out there. Just start. That is the advice. You don't have to get everything perfect to have everything figured out. Just post your first video. Yeah. The idea is to start failing fast and failing very, very early. Yeah. Over time, you would get better. Over time, you get better. You don't have to figure everything out. Nobody has figured YouTube out. So just start. Start posting videos. Start making mistakes. Start correcting yourself. And over time, you get better. Some of the mistakes I made early on was using bad lighting, bad thumbnails, and no scripts. I'm still getting better, and for every video I upload, I am improving by 1%. The same thing goes for you. Start uploading videos and start improving. So let's go over to my dashboard and see how each video perform. This is my channel dashboard. Now, as you can see, I've gotten over 106 subscribers in the last 28 days. Yeah. So my channel is 1 month old and I have over 100 subscribers. And also 35.3 watch hours. Now, the only way to get these watch hours is to create videos that are actually engaging, videos that people want to watch. Yeah. So I've gotten over 35.3 watch hours and 106 subscribers. My last video has about 72 views. Yeah, and an average view duration of 2.20. Now let's go over to my analytics and see how each video has performed. So my highest performing video is how to get cheap data. This video I told you guys I researched and I realized that it was always getting views. Now if you realize this video gave me 30.8 watch hours and the total watch hours I've gotten in this channel is 35. Meaning this video gave me over 80% of the watch time I've gotten. Yeah. And this video gave me 33 subscribers. Yeah. So that's what I'll be doing right now. I'll be researching on contents that are performing well for other creators and I'm going to recreate them. So how viewers found this video through YouTube recommendation, up next, YouTube. It was mostly through YouTube recommendation. Yeah. So this is how I'll be creating videos moving forward. I'll research the videos that are performing well and I'll recreate. The next content that is doing well is remote jobs. Remote jobs that do not require experience. I also researched this content, although it did not perform as well as the first one, but it has also outperformed my previous video. Now, this video gave me 72 views and 2.8 watch hours with 5 subscribers. Yeah. So so far the video is doing well and the average view duration was 2.13 minutes, 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Although it was an 11-minute video, I was hoping it would really way more. That's what I want to work on right now. I want my videos, people to watch my videos to the end. I think if I can do that, YouTube will recommend my video to more persons. To the third video, this is actually the second video I created. It was around how I started my YouTube writing business and was able to make 100K per month. When I made this video, I didn't have a lot of subscribers. Although I was thinking if I had like enough subscribers, I would have gotten enough watch time. This video gave me 49 views, 1.8 watch hours, and also 5 subscribers. Now the thumbnail for this video was terrible. It was bad. Yeah. So it was something I would be working on. It was an 8 minute video and gave me the average view duration was 2 minutes 16 seconds. And to the last video on my that's the first video actually. This is the first video I posted. So this is the first video, this is the second video, the third video, and this is arranged according to the number of views I've gotten. But yeah, this is still the first, this is the second, this is the third. This is how I get very cheap data is the third and top 5 remote jobs. The last video I have posted. Now the first video I posted that took me a lot of courage. I posted this video when I had 0 subscribers. Yeah, I posted this video when I had 0 subscribers and it gave me 63 views, 3.4 watch hours. This video tried. Give me 3.4 watch hours and 3 subscribers. And it had an average view duration of 3 minutes, which is the highest I've gotten. It was a 12-minute video though, and the thumbnail was sad. It was very bad. My picture was blurry, and I just did anything I could do and just posted it. But the video did well, so that's what I'm saying. It's an advice to new YouTubers out there. Just create your video and post. Just post that video, create that video, post that video, make mistakes early, make mistakes fast. Now, another thing you would want to do is to always reply to comments. Always reply to comments. Yeah, I it's something I do anytime I come and I see a new comment pop up. I'm always trying to, you know, reply to comments and just engage with my viewers. So that's it. That's an overview of my channel analytics for last month. I got 915 views. I haven't gotten to 1000 views yet. I have 35.3 watch hours and 98 new subscribers. I am proud of hitting 100 subscribers, but this is just the start. My goal for this month is to hit over 500 subscribers and create at least 10 videos. By month end, I would also make a video of my YouTube growth. If you are a new creator, let's connect. My name is David Chooks. What's your name? Drop it in the comment section and let's connect.